Panasonic Aquarea heat pump systems bring warmth and comfort to your home. With the new Panasonic service concept Aquarea Service Plus, you can now relax and enjoy a cozy, warm home. Leave the care of your Panasonic Aquarea heat pump to the experts. As the manufacturer, Panasonic knows the Aquarea products best. When your unit is connected to the internet, Panasonic offers a unique remote maintenance function in real time. In case an unexpected problem occurs, the Panasonic service team will be informed directly. If a malfunction does occur, it can usually be fixed remotely. Should immediate assistance be required on the unit itself, Panasonic will send an experienced heating specialist to your site. At the same time, Panasonic detects faults much faster and thus optimizes the service life of your heat pump even further. The Panasonic Aquarea Service Plus packages include various services, starting with annual maintenance visits by a Panasonic Service Plus technician to 24/7 remote monitoring to solve any issues immediately, and much more. We also offer preferential treatment for premium customers. In this way, Panasonic ensures that you always get the most out of your heat pump without ever having to worry about possible breakdowns, incorrect settings, or other technical problems. Make your Panasonic Aquarea even more powerful. We'll do the rest.
Panasonic.